Imagine a simple square hiding a surprising geometric secret, one that only reveals itself when we extend a line, mirror a segment, and compare two cleverly constructed triangles. In this problem, we work with a square labeled ABCD. Inside this square lies a triangle AFE such that point E is located on side DC and point F is located on side BC, exactly as shown in the accompanying diagram. The objective is to determine the measure of angle AEF. We are given that angle EAF equals 45 degrees and angle AFB equals 70 degrees. We begin by extending side CD beyond point D and marking a new point F prime on this line such that the length DF prime equals the length BF. Next, we observe that triangle ABF is a right triangle at vertex B. Therefore, the sum of angles BAF plus AFB equals 90 degrees. This yields angle BAF equal to 90 degrees minus 70 degrees, which equals 20 degrees. Next, we study triangle ADE. Since this triangle is right-angled at vertex D, the sum of angles DEA plus EAD equals 90 degrees. Moreover, angle EAD equals 90 degrees minus the sum of angles EAF plus BAF. Because angle EAF is 45 degrees and angle BAF is 20 degrees, we obtain angle EAD equal to 25 degrees. Consequently, angle DEA equals 90 degrees minus the measure of the angle EAD, which equals 25 degrees, which gives DEA equal to 65 degrees. We then compare triangles ABF and ADF prime. Side AB equals side AD because they are sides of the square. Also, the length BF equals the length DF prime by construction. Therefore, these two right triangles are identical. This implies that AF equals AF prime, and angle DAF prime equals angle BAF, which equals 20 degrees. From this, we determine that angle EAF prime equals angle EAD plus angle DAF prime, that is 25 degrees plus 20 degrees, yielding 45 degrees. Now we compare triangles AEF and AEF prime. We already know that angle EAF equals angle EAF prime, and side AF equals side AF prime. In addition, side AE is common to both triangles. Hence, the two triangles are congruent. As a result, angle AEF equals angle AEF prime, which is 65 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle AEF is 65 degrees. Through geometric construction, angle chasing, and triangle identity, we successfully determine that angle AEF measures 65 degrees. A clever extension of one side of the square and the use of mirrored triangles reveal the hidden logic within this elegant configuration. If you learned from this geometric exploration, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment sharing your own method, and check out the next video for more engaging mathematical challenges. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.